Dear brethren across the globe, firstly, Jibai, I want to draw your attention to an important matter. The student body organization and other sisters organization are organizing a mass rally scheduled for 31st of August 2024. Recently, a voice clip surfaced in which Manipur's Chief Minister N.Biren Singh allegedly discussed plans to annihilate our kukizo community. Despite this evidence, the government has been hesitant to take any single actions. This rally seeks demands for accountability and justice. Additionally, we must reiterate our long-standing demand for separate administration in the form of Union Territory. This rally serves as a collective goal to expedite our political demands, and I will be joining this rally too. I urge and hope every one of you, despite of your location, to organize and participate in this worldwide rally. Lastly, let us stand united and raise our voice together in our fight for justice. In solidarity, Florence Vaiphei.
Dear cookies all breathing across the globe, we wish to bring your attention to an important matter. The KSO and other sisters organization is organizing a mass rally scheduled for 31st of August 2024. Recently, a voice clip surfaced in which Manipur's Chief Minister N.Biren Singh allegedly discussed plans to annihilate the kukizo community. Despite this evidence, the government has been hesitant to take action against him. The rally seeks to demand accountability and justice. Additionally, we reiterate our long-standing demand for a separate administration in the form of Union Territory. This rally serves as a collective call for the reinstatement of this demand. We urge all cookies or Britain, regardless of their location, to organize and participate in this worldwide rally. Let us stand united and raise our voices for justice and our community's rights. In solidarity, Teresa, varte.
Kuki zo swante zo sia zata nato kang no siat masahi keima prena Manlun. Manipura kuki zo swanta te thachimit nadi nga panlatu ahidan N.Biren Singh leak audio tape apat in theikya hibana separate administration UT with legislation demand ibolupen akit thela mai muthin dingun angtung ding 31st August 2024 chiangin India a kopilian zo siale outer Manipura kuki zo te na district tuam zo sia sang naw pang polpi tuam te lamkai na to kiphinna in lamzuina kineding ahe to azia in tami lamzuina a kuki zo swanta te zo sia zo ipan la theitan jan tami lamzuina pi ching na ding in panla cha ding in JSP General Headquarter siletang in ngetna le thesahna kang bola he to ale ke zong lamka khopia kuki zo swante lamzuina a pangding ka hizia in nangjong gamle na madi nga ka bol thei sun chi in lamka public ground hyang tam lamka jingmong nai kwale kim a thingtung kim chada peace round tui bangtana lamzuina pangchia dingin ngaina ta in kang chala hi lungdaming
Leisit polnung lia kangai nat kanami pite cheng ko ma hetsahna ka hunde inun chu ahia hi le ahung tung ding tarik som tum na khat August ni le KSO te makai na in mass rally akung gala jithu hi bangahim itia hi le jivai gundi hi Manipur N.Biren in ama ngil lam kai na thachimit ding 80 na thu akam chang nge ni na hetawa jithu hi sang tak adim na le e mau apata ki vai phuk na lo in ungi thelo ding a hi sikin buima ma leu hin le ihun man tam tak teu zinya da ngai ipik do ko a mi pi atam thejin ichi dingun tin nget na le hetsahna ka hun bolo a gamle nam khonung ding hi nang le ke in tu nia pata hi pan ila khom lo chun itu icha tewin e hun oi mo diu le gialo thei e pu he zini chule van avoma hun ki vana really adanga ihun iphat man tam tak teo ipik do ko a ibo no ai per kin chi theina dingun hetsahna ka hun bola zat le nam ngai na zala kal hung sun chit a hung pang chit dingin zimedya mga hin nget na le chilna ka hun bola hi